Colonel Camilo A. Sadab, General Staff Corps of Infantry Philippine Army, is the Assistant Division Commander for Service and Military Affairs in the 5th Infantry Division in Camo, Isabela. He is a native of San Mateo, Isabela, and a member of Officer Preparatory Class 36-1994. He graduated cum laude with a Bachelor of Arts in English from Isabela State University in 1990, where he also served as ROTC Corps Commander. He began his military career in 1994 with 21st Infantry Battalion, 5th IT serving in Isabela and Kalinga. Over the years, he held key roles including Platoon Leader, Company Commander, Intelligence and Operations Officer. He also served in JH2AF Philippine Army Headquarters. Internationally served as UN Peacekeeper under UNDOF in Syria, East Israel 2013 and 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor, the chairman of the RAATI team, Colonel Camilo A. Sadam, Infantry General Staff Corps, Philippine Army.
Kamusta po, Parangal? Malapit ka. Mga kasama, nakabot ang ating panuwing pagtagal kasi Colonel Camilo A. Sadam, Infantry General Staff Corps Philippine Army, Chairman of the RAATI team, ang kanyang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na ginawa natin sa kanya. Sa mga ito,